Next we will discuss properties of differentiation. So it is properties, हम लोग differentiation की discuss करेंगे. So let's tackle the first property. First property is if you differentiate any constant, that means d by dx of some constant is there, constant, then its derivative will be 0. Simply derivative of the constant is 0. For example, if you do d by dx of some constant number 5, its derivative will be 0. Or anything, d by dx of some a is a constant, its derivative will be 0. So this is the first property. Let's discuss the second property of derivative. Second property. In the second property, you can distribute derivative sign if there is some function of x and plus minus another function of x, gx. So you can write it as d by dx of fx and plus minus d by dx of gx. So this is property number 2. You can take one simple example for this. Suppose we have a function y is equal to sin x plus cos x, y is equal to sin x plus cos x, and we have to find a differentiation. We have to find dy upon dx. So let's solve this. We have to find dy upon dx. That means that will be d by dx of sin x plus cos x. That means sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. Now derivative will be distributed here. That will be d by dx of sin x plus d by dx of cos x. So d by dx of sin x will be cos x and d by dx of cos x will be minus sin x. So this will be our final answer, cos x minus sin x. So we have discussed this property. Now let's discuss property number 3. Property number 3. We have discussed two properties. Now discuss property number 3. What is property number 3? If d by dx of some constant into fx, that means if constant is multiplied with the function, तो क्या करेंगे? Constant will come outside. So this will be k into d by dx of fx. Simply. You can take one example for this. Suppose it is given that y is equal to 3x square, y is equal to 3x square, find dy upon dx. Find dy upon dx. You have to find dy upon dx. Now you can solve this. You have to find dy upon dx. That will be d by dx of 3x square and 3 will come outside. ये d by dx of x square हो जाएगा और x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x. So 3 into 2x and that will be 6x. So this is the final answer. So this was property number 3. Similarly, you can take a few more example. For example, I will take one more question. Question number 4. Wait, 4. Sorry. One more example in this, not question number 4. One more example. This one is, if y is equal to 5 10x, if y is equal to 5 10x, 5 10x, then find dy upon dx. Find dy upon dx. Simple example, just dy upon dx is equal to 5 will come outside, d by dx of 10x, and you know that 10x derivative is sec square x, 5 sec square x. So this is the answer of this question. Similarly, we can do few more questions on the same pattern. We can take one more example, two more example. Suppose y is equal to 5 by x and y is equal to these are two questions, not and. This is first one and this is second one. Y is equal to root 3x. Find dy upon dx. You have to find dy upon dx in both the cases. Solve them, they are very easy. So this will be first one. This will be dy upon dx. 5 will come outside. D by dx of x to the power minus 1, and this will be minus 5x, 5 by x square. Use the formula जो हमने पहले डिस्कस किया था. Similarly, we can solve the another one. Second question. In second question, it is given y is equal to root 3x. We have to find dy upon dx. So dy upon, basically it is root 3x, not root 3 into root x, that is root 3x. So just differentiate it, dy upon dx. Root 3 is the constant, and we'll get d by dx of root x. And as you know, from the special formulas, this is root 3 and this will be 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2 root x. And this will be root 3 upon root 2 and root x. So you can see this is the final answer. So we have discussed properties and few example which uses these properties.